Hi, in this episode I've come to visit the bike at Lightning Services. See the link in the description. So it's up on the bench, and Baz is removing the engine. He's taken off the exhaust pipe, the rocker cover and the starter motor cover, which I'm going to take away and clean up, ready for putting back on. So the engine's coming out to check that the timing chain and everything's correct, because he was suspicious that it might have slipped or jumped. So we're going to have that checked. There's the carbs, all nice and clean. They've been soaking in a sonic bath for a while. New rubbers, new tyres. And there's the inside. So this chain needs double checking and making sure it's tight so it doesn't jump. So this is the starter motor cover, and it's been sprayed in the past and some rust is showing through. So first of all, to degrease it with a bit of fairy liquid, and then get the Dremel on it, take off the rust, get rid of the paint, prep it, polish it up, so then it's all shiny, get some auto gleam on it. That'll take a while. I might need to buy more of these metal brush heads. They wear out pretty quick. Yeah, I know it's not ready, but what I'm going to do in a bit is get some auto gleam on it and just polish a little bit of it to see how it comes up and what the end result might look like. So this time I'm doing it on the patio, because last time when I did it on the grass, the degreaser killed the grass. Don't mind killing the moss. Well anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit the bell button, and hopefully episode 14 won't be too long. Getting that rocker cover nice and shiny and the exhaust pipe, and then getting them back on, hopefully getting the bike back on the road. So yeah, thanks a lot. Hit the like and subscribe button. Cheers, bye.